Welcome back to Koru Health AI, the place where we break down real solutions that help your body move, feel, and function better every day. Most of us take for granted the simple joy of moving through the world without a second thought. We want to bend down to tie our shoes, reach up to a high shelf, or enjoy a walk in the park. This freedom of movement is orchestrated by the remarkable structures in our bodies, called joints, the points where two bones meet. Think of them as the body's hinges, allowing for everything from the grand sweep of a leg to the delicate curl of a finger. When our joints are healthy, they operate silently in the background, but when they become stiff and sore, they can command our full attention. At the very heart of this smooth, effortless motion lies a substance many people have never even heard of: synovial fluid. This remarkable liquid is the unsung hero of our joints, serving a purpose far more complex than simple lubrication. It is a living, dynamic fluid that keeps the joint moving slickly, and it also provides vital nourishment to surrounding tissues. The health of this fluid can be the difference between effortless motion and joints that feel stiff, dry, and resistant. Section 2. Inside your joints, the 3 key players. To truly understand how to combat joint stiffness, we must first venture inside a joint and meet the 3 main components that work in harmony to allow for fluid motion. The first of these is cartilage, a truly amazing tissue. Picture a firm, rubbery, and incredibly smooth material that covers the ends of the bones where they meet. This pearly white layer acts as the body's natural shock absorber, cushioning the bones from the impact of walking, running, jumping. Its slick surface is more slippery than ice on ice, which is essential for allowing the bones to glide past one another with almost zero friction. Without healthy cartilage, movement would be grating and painful. The second key player, and the central focus of our discussion, is the synovial fluid. This thick, viscous liquid, often compared to the consistency of an egg white, fills the space within the joint. It is produced by a special lining called the synovial membrane. Its primary job is lubrication, ensuring that the smooth surfaces of the cartilage can slide effortlessly against each other, but its role extends far beyond that of a simple lubricant. The synovial fluid is also a critical delivery system, carrying essential nutrients and oxygen directly to the cartilage cells. Section 3. The vicious cycle. What really causes joint stiffness? The familiar sensation of joint stiffness is not a random occurrence. It is the result of specific, tangible changes happening within the joint's delicate ecosystem. One of the primary culprits behind the stiffness is a decline in the quality of the synovial fluid. As we age, or when a joint is under stress, the composition of this fluid can change for the worse. A key molecule responsible for the fluid's thick, shock-absorbing properties is hyaluronic, a long-chain sugar molecule. When the concentration of hyaluronic drops, the synovial fluid becomes thinner and more watery, losing its ability to properly lubricate the cartilage and cushion the joint during movement. This thinning of the synovial fluid sets off a cascade of negative effects. With less effective lubrication, the friction between the cartilage surfaces increases. This is akin to running an engine with low-quality oil. The parts begin to wear on each other. The cartilage, which relies on the fluid for its nutrients, begins to suffer from malnutrition. Without a steady supply of oxygen and building blocks for repair, the cartilage cells can weaken and die, causing the tissue to become rough, frayed, and less resilient. This degradation of the cartilage surface further increases friction and can lead to the bone-on-bone scenario that many people fear, though the pain often starts long before that point. Section 4. Liquid gold, the critical role of hydration and nutrients. Your synovial fluid is not a static substance. It is a dynamic part of your body, constantly being replenished and refreshed. This fluid is composed primarily of water. Your hydration status directly impacts its volume and quality. When you're dehydrated, the body prioritizes water for vital functions. Maintaining blood pressure. Brain function, that can leave less water for other systems, including the production of synovial fluid. Even mild, chronic dehydration can reduce the amount of fluid in your joints, making the joint less effective at cushioning, making the joint less effective at lubricating. Simply drinking enough water is one of the simplest, most powerful things you can do for your joint health. Adequate hydration gives your body the raw material to produce healthy synovial fluid. That helps maintain proper viscosity. It allows the fluid to cushion the joint. It allows the fluid to transport nutrients. Think of it like watering a plant. Without enough water, the plant wilts. Similarly, without enough water, your joint's internal environment becomes less robust. Keep a water bottle on hand and sip consistently. Beyond water, nutrient delivery to cartilage depends entirely on movement. Your diet plays a powerful role in supporting high-quality synovial fluid, and whole foods rich in antioxidants and vitamin C help nourish cartilage and keep your joints moving smoothly. Lean proteins and omega-3 sources like salmon, walnuts, and flax seeds provide the building blocks your body uses to calm inflammation and maintain a healthy joint environment. For deeper support, some people turn to targeted joint formulas like Biodynamix Joint Genesis, which focuses on replenishing hyaluronic acid and restoring synovial fluid quality, key factors in reducing stiffness and supporting comfortable, flexible movement as we age. And once your body feels calmer and less inflamed, the next powerful step is to gently move your joints so they can stay nourished and flexible. Section 6. The Anti-Inflammatory Lifestyle. Beyond the plate. While nutrition strengthens the foundation of joint health, your daily habits also play a major role in how your joints feel and function. Chronic stress and poor sleep can raise inflammation levels throughout the body, making joints feel stiff, swollen, and slow to recover. Simple tools like deep breathing, short relaxation breaks, and aiming for 7 to 9 hours of restorative sleep each night can help calm the system and support smoother movement. Section 7. Motion is lotion. Why movement is your best medicine. The phrase motion is lotion captures movement and joint health. Movement is the engine that drives the pump, circulating synovial fluid to nourish cartilage. Gentle, consistent exercise improves joint lubrication and reduces stiffness. Low-impact activities give benefits without excess strain. Example: swimming, water aerobics, cycling, elliptical training. These activities raise heart rate and move joints through their range of motion. Walking is a simple, accessible, low-impact exercise. Walking improves circulation throughout the body, delivering oxygen and nutrients to joint-supporting structures. Walking strengthens leg and core muscles, which act as shock absorbers for knees, hips, and back. Stronger muscles reduce force on joint cartilage each step. The key is consistency. A daily 20 to 30-minute walk beats sporadic, intense workouts that leave you sidelined. Beyond structured exercise, build more movement into your day. We weren't designed to sit for 8 hours straight. If you have a desk job, stand up, stretch, walk around every hour. Try simple movement snacks, ankle circles, knee bends, shoulder rolls. These keep synovial fluid circulating, prevent muscles and ligaments from tightening, and remind your body how to move freely. This habit reduces end-of-day achiness and morning stiffness. Flexibility and strength protect joints. Gentle stretching, yoga, tai chi can maintain and improve range of motion, preventing tight, restrictive tissues. Strength training builds muscles that stabilize joints. You don't need to be a bodybuilder. Try body weight moves, squats, lunges, glute bridges. A balanced routine of cardiovascular activity, strength, and flexibility is the recipe for durable, comfortable joints. Section 8. Let's bust some common joint health myths. First, that joint pain is inevitable with age. While risk increases, proactive steps with diet and exercise can maintain excellent joint health. Another myth is to avoid exercise. While rest is key for acute injury, long-term inactivity weakens muscles and adds stress. Gentle movement lubricates joints and nourishes cartilage. Remember, your current situation isn't your final destination. Section 9. Your path forward. Simple steps to start today. Understanding the science is empowering, but real change comes from taking small steps that add up over time. Focus on the pillars: hydration, movement, and an anti-inflammatory diet. Start with one simple choice today. Be patient, stay consistent, and celebrate your progress. For tools to support flexible, healthy joints, check the links below. And don't forget to like and subscribe.